Hey everyone, Rick, the Static Nomadic. Day 20 here. I know I was pretty bummed yesterday, I guess you could say. But, you know, it's nothing that's going to shut me down. Nothing that's going to stop me. You know, I still have hot water. I still, you know, have heat, at least in the living room. And I'll get it fixed, you know. Get this exhaust done Monday morning and truck on up there and put it in Aqua Hot's parking lot and say, there you go, fix it. And hopefully we can get this worked out pretty quick, pretty easy. I'm really debating. I spent a good part of today trying to figure out, after Colorado Springs, and then I go up to Frederick, which is, you know, north of Denver, debating where I want to go from there. But I'm kind of wanting to get moving again, you know. I mean, this has been a great place to stay, it has. And you can't beat the price. But, I don't know. I just want to get moving again. You know, I'm happier when I'm moving, I know that. Of course, can't always be moving, but I would like to get a little different scenery. Been here a couple of weeks, and I think I've seen about all there is to see here. You know, looking forward to something new. A new view. That's what I want. Anyway, guys, just spent the day working on the Aqua Hot. I rebled the system and some other minor, you know, checking the motors and stuff. But that was about all I've accomplished today. And I guess it's about all I'm going to accomplish today. I think I'm going to go in, cook me some dinner, watch a movie, and just relax. Hope you guys have a great evening, and peace out.
Thank you.